What's up, my good people? Since a lot of people had complaints about my videos being in portrait mode and not landscape, I decided to do one in landscape. I'm just showing you how to remove oxidation from headlight lenses simply by using acetone. Takes seconds, like for real, seconds. Microfiber, clean microfiber. Make sure that it's clean at all times or it won't act right. Follow my steps to the T. See the difference in the two? And it's not wet, it's already dry. Because acetone dries fast and shit, like almost quick. Almost instant. Do the other side. For video purposes only, I'm doing multiple cars just to show you that it's real. A lot of people like to say you bullshit in a box. Nah, it's real. Missed the spot. Now let's go to the central. I'm doing more than one. I can show you what's real. I'm showing you what's real. Hold on, baby. Seeing it. Right? Living proof. Video is not edited. This is in real time just to show you how fast this thing goes. Come on over here, let's do this one. reason I keep flipping the towel is because you gotta find a clean spot, because if you go back with the dirty one, it'll be almost like cross-contamination. The oxidation will get back onto the headlight. I noticed that this works because acrylic is in the plastic. Make sure they can see the headlight. It's just dry. Just over it again. Then apply enough pressure. That's what happens when you do it wrong. Now I have to wait a couple of days until it dries.